Should I ask again or you will ask?
Yes, sir. I woke up. Sir, it is right now. I woke
Can
up
you,
at
can you read this?
hmm, I woke up at 7 o'clock in yesterday. Sorry, yesterday.
Okay, firstly say hello, hi to each other. I'm just coming back.
Good morning, Didi.
Good morning, Mini.
How are you, Didi?
I'm top. I'm top of the world. Thank you. And you?
I'm good, Didi.
Uh, Hello. What's your name? You're mute.
My name is Anjali.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 30.
Okay. Anjali. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hmm. How are you?
I'm fine.
दीदी
And
फोन को
you?
थोड़ा साइड में करो ना, आप हाफ हाफ दिख रहे हो।
You are saying to me, Mini.
हाँ, अभी
Is
भी।
it now? Hmm.
नाउ क्लियर।
Hmm. What was going on, Mini? Not,
कल तो बस हाँ, सर टेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करवाए थे। पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट, प्रेजेंट सिंपल और प्रेजेंट सिंपल पास्ट बस।
now I'm going. Now I'm giving my uh, short intro. I'm Nidhi Patel. Uh, I'm basically from Khamon, but nowadays I'm living in Jabalpur, Vijayanagar, Ghadi Chowk. Uh, there are only three members in my family. I live in nuclear family. First person is my husband, second one me, and the third person is my kid. I have only one kid. His name is Adu. I am homemaker. My zodiac sign is Scorpio. My favorite color are pink and blue. My hobbies are listening music with cooking, uh, and driving, gardening, watering the plants, having a walk, uh, etc., and so on. And my husband is a businessman. He is having many business. And Adi is 6 years. Do you know, friends? Uh, Carrot color goes well on me. All bright colors goes well on. Colors are go well on me. But especially carrot color goes well on me. Yeah. Thank you. So what should we do? Mini, are you there?
Yes, the I'm here.
Mini, what did sir give us yesterday?
The only one idiom. Uh, Sir has given us a very long time ago.
Only
Every
idiom.
every coin has two aspects.
It's a idiom.
Yes, the
And what was interactive sentence?
कोई सा नहीं दिया था दी बस यही दिया था.
मीडियम क्या था मिनी?
Every coin has two aspects.
थैंक यू। लास्ट में कौन सा वर्ड है?
Aspect. ASPECTS.
थैंक यू।
Mini, that is हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं.
Yes, दीदी.
Uh, Nithi, do you remember what was the last one?
Yes, sir. I remember. The last verb was present, that is प्रस्तुत करना.
Okay. Ask the same question to Mini.
Mini, do you remember what was the last verb?
Yes, the I remember. The last verb was present. That is प्रस्तुत करना. अंजलि जी, do you remember what was the last verb? Nidhi, you answer please.
Yes, I know. The last verb was प्रस्तुत करना, that is present. Mini, what should be the verb for प्रतिनिधित्व करना?
Uh, the verb for प्रतिनिधित्व करना should be I don't know. Nidhi, what should be the verb for Anjali di, what should be the verb for प्रतिनिधित्व करना?
लास्ट वर्ब प्रस्तुत करना। आई डोंट नो।
You ask Nidhi di. You ask Nidhi di.
Please ask me about this one, that one verb. Mini, you can.
Have you played? No?
Mini, please ask me.
The what should be the verb for प्रतिनिधित्व करना? What should be the verb for प्रतिनिधित्व करना?
The verb for प्रतिनिधित्व करना should be represent. Anjali, what should be the second form of represent?
द सेकेंड वर्ब
Mini, what should be the second form of represent?
Be the second form of represent should be represented. Anjali Di, what should be the third form of represent?
The uh, third form, verb represent. I don't know. Third form.
Okay, you ask to Nidhi Didi.
What should be represent third form?
The third form of represent should be represented.
Uh, Nidhi, which team did you represent last year?
Sir, Indian team represent. Sir, Indian team.
Mini, which team did you represent last year?
Sir, Mumbai team.
Anjali, which team did you represent last year?
Chennai.
Sir, can I?
Beta, which team did you represent last year?
कौन सी टीम? ओलंपिक की?
Imaginary answer.
I represent.
First please.
I represent India team.
ओके, बच्चे का आंसर पूरा सही तो नहीं है, लेकिन बच्चा कम से कम इतना तो जानता है कि आंसर शुरू कहाँ से करना है. कैन यू पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर हिम? बेटा आस्क सेम क्वेश्चन आस्क.
What?
अच्छा
क्या था सर?
नहीं, ओके थैंक
Which team you represent?
यू. नो.
Nidhi, which team did you represent last year?
Thank you very much.
I uh, I represented the India team.
दी, आपने लास्ट ईयर किस टीम का प्रतिनिधित्व किया?
मैंने लास्ट ईयर इंडिया टीम का प्रतिनिधित्व किया। अंजलि, which team did you represent last year?
I represent
Mini,
Ask me.
sir, which team did you represent last year?
I represented Bluebells last year.
सर आपने पिछले साल किस टीम का प्रतिनिधित्व किया था?
पिछले साल मैंने ब्लूबेल्स का प्रतिनिधित्व किया था।
निधि दी, अंजलि दी, what should be the verb for मुसीबतों के बावजूद डटे रहना?
for
अंजलि दी, what should be the verb for मुसीबतों के बावजूद कोशिश करना?
the verb for
निधि दी, what should be the verb for मुसीबतों के बावजूद कोशिश करना?
The verb for मुसीबतों के बावजूद कोशिश करना should be persevere. Mini, what should be the second form of persevere?
The second form of persevere should be persevered. Anjali दी, what should be the third form of persevere?
the third form of verb persevere should persevere.
Thank you. Nidhi, did the Indian soldiers persevere on the border?
Yes, sir. They persevered on the border.
क्या भारतीय सैनिक मुसीबतों के बावजूद सीमा पर कोशिश करते रहे?
हाँ सर, वे मुसीबतों के बावजूद भी कोशिश करते रहे। Many did um, did doctor did Doctor Pasivia during Corona?
Yes, the doctors persevered during the corona.
मिनी के डॉक्टर्स कोरोना के दौरान भी कोशिश करते रहे।
हाँ जी, डॉक्टर कोरोना के दौरान भी कोशिश करते रहे। अंजलि दी did the
You're mute, Minnie.
क्या सब्जेक्ट है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है दीदी।
सब्जेक्ट आपके सामने है।
Okay, Nidhi,
Yes.
what is the verb for डटे रहना?
So the verb for डटे रहना should be also passive aggressive. Many what with the second form of persevere?
Did the second form of persevere should be persevered. Anjali दी, what should be the third form of persevere?
The third form of persevere should be persevered.
So I have to say something to you. Sir, I looked to Adi's book. Persevere के pronunciations are silent है क्या उधर पे?
के बाद जब ई आता है तो आर साइलेंट नहीं होता।
ओके सर, मैम पढ़ा रही थी तो वो ऐसा करके बोली तो मुझे लग रहा शायद वही प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैंने 2-4 बार बोला। Persevere.
Okay, Nidhi, did Corona warriors? No, sorry, did Sonu Sood persevere during the second wave of Corona?
Yes, sir. He persevered during the corona. Second wave. Okay.
क्या सोनू सूद सेकेंड वेव में भी डटा रहा?
हाँ सर, वह सेकेंड वेव में भी डटा रहा। मैंने डेट्स all teachers persevere during the online classes?
Yes, all teachers persevered on online classes.
मैंने क्या सभी शिक्षक कोरोना के ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में डटे रहे?
हाँ जी, सारे टीचर्स ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में डटे रहे।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
यस जी।
Okay, I am asking the question to Anjali. Anjali, did coastal residents persevere during the tsunami? Did you see the spelling of tsunami?
Yes, sir. Sir, question क्या sir? Come again.
Nidhi, did the coastal residents persevere during tsunami?
Yes, sir. The coastal residents persevered during tsunami.
क्या समुद्र तट पर रहने वाले लोग सुनामी के दौरान डटे रहे?
हाँ सर, समुद्र के किनारे रहने वाले लोग सुनामी के दौरान भी डटे रहे।
Okay, now tell me, did I give you any interactive sentence in the previous class, not last class, previous class?
Yes, sir. You gave us interactive sentences in previous class, and the interactive sentence is, it is none of your business. That is, इससे तुम्हारा कोई लेना देना नहीं।
Nidhi, ask 2 questions to me.
Meaning, have you written this one?
First one.
First one.
Yes जी, I have written first one.
Should I erase, Meaning?
Yes जी, you should erase please. Anjali ji, have you written the second one?
Yes, you have the written second one.
Sorry.
No sorry for Anjali.
Will do, Meaning.
Okay. जी, should I erase?
Yes, you should erase.
Have I given you so and so?
No, sir. It's dashed.
Thank you. Can anybody guess the meaning of so and so? So and so. So and so.
सर, जैसे बहुत हुआ।
Well tried, but it is the wrong answer.
Sir, so and so. That is अब और नहीं।
Nice tried, but it is wrong answer. Okay. Should I tell you?
Please, sir, tell.
Yes sir.
क्या मैं बता दूं?
हाँ सर, बता दीजिए।
दोस्तों, हम इस इंटरेक्टिव का प्रयोग तब करते हैं जब या तो हमें किसी नाम को छुपाना होता है या हमें याद नहीं आ रहा होता है, तब हम इसका प्रयोग करते हैं। आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल। Actually, I was having so and so problem in my ear. So I asked my so and so friend, yaar, how can I solve so and so problem of my ear? So he said, go to so and so village and meet so and so Pandit ji. He cures so and so problem immediately. So I went to so and so village and I met so and so Pandit ji, and he gave me so and so pudiya. I took so and so pudiya for 5 days and my so and so problem has gone. थोड़ा बड़ा जरूर हो गया है, लेकिन इससे क्लियर हो गया होगा। आपको इतना बड़ा सेंटेंस बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप एक लाइन का सेंटेंस भी बना सकते।
सर इसका सेंस अभी भी समझ में नहीं आता है।
ओके, लेट
फलाना फलाना ऐसा कुछ करके
कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस। मुझे कान में फला फला समस्या थी, तो मैं अपने फला फला दोस्त के पास गया और मैंने उससे बोला, यार मेरे को कान में फला फला समस्या हो रही है। तो उसने कहा, अच्छा, फलानी समस्या के लिए तो फलाने गांव में एक पंडित जी रहते हैं, फलाना नाम है उनका, तुम उनके पास चले जाओ। तो मैं फलाने गांव में गया, फलाने पंडित जी से मिला। मैंने बोला, पंडित जी मुझे कान में फला फला समस्या है। तो पंडित जी बोले, पंडित जी ने पुड़िया दी 5 दिन की। मैंने फला फला पुड़िया 5 दिन तक खाई और मेरी फला फला समस्या ठीक हो गई।
सर आई एम रेडी। I was asking to Adi, where is my so and so? Oh, he. There's not.
It is wrong application. I think you could not listen me carefully, because when I was giving the example, Adi interrupted and you lost.
Can I try?
Yes, you should try.
I was looking for my so and so. Then suddenly Didi came. I asked to her, where is my so and so? She was telling me, is wrong.
So I will try.
Please go ahead.
Sir, I purchased so one.
Sorry.
Sir, can I? Uh, sir, when I met my friend, then we discussed so and so friend. जब मैं अपने दोस्त से मिला तो हम लोग फला फला दोस्त की बारे में चर्चा कर रहे
सॉरी मैंने
कर रहे थे, सॉरी।
हाँ डिस्कस था when I met my friend then we discussed so and so friend
sir, please give us one more example.
Okay, I'm repeating my example. My friend was having so and so problem in his stomach. So he asked me, yeah, I have been facing so and so problem in my stomach for last 2 years. What should I do? He said, go to Nagpur and contact so and so doctor. He is a specialist of so and so disease. And his fees is so and so. And you will get relief in so and so problem within 2 days. So my friend went to Nagpur and he met so and so doctor. And so doctor gave him so and so medicine. My friend took so and so medicine and he felt 50% relief within 2 days. मेरे दोस्त को पेट में फलानी समस्या थी, तो उसने पूछा, यार मैं 2 साल से फलानी समस्या झेल रहा हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? तो मैंने कहा, अरे नागपुर जाओ, नागपुर में फलाना डॉक्टर है, उनकी फीस भी कम है, उनसे मिलो, तुम्हारी फलानी समस्या बहुत जल्दी 2 ही दिन में ठीक हो जाएगी। तो मेरा दोस्त नागपुर गया, फलाने डॉक्टर से मिला, उन्होंने फला दवाई दी और मेरे दोस्त को 2 दिन में 50% का आराम मिल गया।
When I went to priest, he was telling me there is so many problems. I am. Then I asked to what should I do? He was telling me you can so and so fast every Monday. After 5 Monday You will relieve so and so problem. Sir, is it right? Ma'am.
I
जब मैं
met
पंडित
so and so friend yesterday.
oh,
कल मैं अपने फला फला दोस्त से मिली एंड वी हैड सो एंड सो थिंग्स, और हमने वहाँ फला फला चीजें खाई। इसको इसको ऐसे यूज
जब मैं कल पंडित के यहाँ गई तो वो मुझसे बताने लगी कि आपको फलानी फलानी परेशानी है, तो आप फला फला मंडे का व्रत
I
रखो।
go so and so I learn lots of things. मैं फला फला जगह गया और मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें लर्न की।
Repeat your English sentence, beta.
I go so
Go and no, went.
I went so and so and
So and so place.
place and I learned of lots of things.
Thank you. Do you have any more sentence?
I deliberately buy so and so things. मैंने जानबूझकर जानबूझ के जरूरत की चीजें खरीदती हूँ। कुछ भी no, I don't.
बेटा एक सेंटेंस और अच्छे से बना दोगे? दीदी लोगों से बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आ रहा है।
I go swimming classes and I learn so and so.
Thank you, beta.
I went to so and so and I learned so and so things over there. मैं फलानी फलानी जगह गई और मैंने वहाँ पर फलानी फलानी चीजें सीखी।
मैं शान को बोल के आता हूँ, वो ज्वाइन कर ले क्लास।
दी ये भी हो सकता है क्या? आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू सो एंड सो पर्सन। मैं फला फला व्यक्ति की बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ।
लास्ट टू सर है ना, मुझे तो सही लग रहा है ढंग से।
Shan is joining. Shan is joining.
Sir, I went yesterday. I went so and so place yesterday. मैं कल फलानी फलानी जगह गई थी।
Correct, absolutely. Shan, is it visible to you?
Yes, it is visible to me.
These are not able to make practical and good sentences. So please make some sentences.
Okay, yeah. One day I went to the market uh, to some uh, buy some soaps and uh, shampoos, but I could not find any. Then I called the manager, so he gave me so and so reasons that we are not having these. एक दिन मैं मार्केट गया था सोप्स और शैम्पूज लेने, लेकिन मुझे जो चाहिए थे वो मिले नहीं, तो मैंने मैनेजर को बुलाया। उसने फला फला रीजंस दिए कि इसलिए हमारे पास नहीं।
I'm repeating Shan's last sentence. He gave me so and so reasons. He gave me so and so reasons. उसने मुझे फला फला कारण बताए।
Sir, can I try?
Yes, please.
Do you know? Uh, I had so and so desserts to her. Yeah. तो है मैंने उनके यहाँ फलानी फलानी चीजें खाई थी।
Shan, can you rectify her sentence?
I had so and so things, deserts, deserts.
Actually, she is willing to say, मैंने उनके यहाँ
अच्छा, at their place.
मिठाई खाई थी।
मैंने उनके यहाँ फलानी फलानी चीजें खाई।
मिठाई खाई थी, मीठा
फलानी
खाया।
फलानी। I had so and so desserts or sweets at their place.
शान, इसको हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं।
Hmm.
Yesterday I went to so and so friend and I had so and so. Actually, they translate everything in Hindi to English. That's why they don't know.
May I make one more sentence?
Please.
I went to so and so shop uh, to buy a toothbrush. So the shopkeeper told me so and so brands to choose from. फला फला दुकान गया टूथब्रश लेने, तो उनने मुझे फला फला ब्रांड्स दिए चूज करने के लिए।
I went to so and so shop and he gave me so and so brands to choose. Okay, guys. If you get some more sentences in your mind, sooner or later, you can send them on WhatsApp. Now I am giving you today's example. Nidhi, ask the first question to Shan.
Son, which chapter is this sentence? Sorry, does this sentence belong?
This sentence belongs to present simple tense.
Let me ask second question. How did you recognize it is present simple?
Because it is having first form of the verb and it consists as uh,
Mini, Nidhi.
many the what is the subject in this sentence?
Uh, one of the subject in
Good. Ask the same question to Anjali.
Anjali ji, what is the subject in this sentence?
Subject in this sentence. Sir,
Good. Ask the same question to Nidhi Didi.
uh, this
Good. Nidhi, answer do.
One lie is the subject in the sentence. John, what is uh, what is helping verb over there?
There is no helping verb over there. Mini the what is lead over there?
Lead is main verb over there.
Nidhi, what is lead over here?
So lead is the first form of the verb over there.
Now ask the next question to Shan.
Son, uh, why did we add s with lead over there?
Because the subject is singular. We use as because the subject is singular. Uh, Mini the what is another over there?
Another is object over there.
वो तो सो गई, कोई और पूछ लो अगला सवाल किसी से भी.
Hmm.
Many, can you guess the Hindi meaning of this idiom?
वो सो रही है, शान से पूछ.
Shan, can you guess the Hindi meaning of this idiom?
Yes, actually I know the Hindi meaning of this sentence. It is एक झूठ बोलने के लिए 100 झूठ और बोलने पड़ते हैं आएंगे.
हम लोग दूसरा हिंदी बोलते हैं कि एक झूठ को छिपाने के लिए 100 झूठ बोलना पड़ते हैं. ये भी सही है. और ये थोड़ा किताबी शब्द दे दिया हमने, जैसा किताब में उपलब्ध होता है.
सर ऐसा भी बस एक झूठ हजार झूठ बोलवा.
जैसा भी अच्छा लगे, जो ज्यादा सुना हो वो बोल. Okay.
uh,
Yes.
uh, I was trying to hide something from my mom. So once I lied to her once, then to hide it again, I had to lie to her many times. Then I thought one lie leads another. मैंने अपनी मम्मी से कुछ छुपाने के लिए एक बार झूठ बोला था, लेकिन उसी को दोबारा छुपाने के लिए मुझे बहुत बार झूठ बोलना पड़ा। तो मैंने सोचा एक झूठ 100 झूठ बुलवाता है।
Next.
One day I spoke one lie. Uh, yeah, I will have to uh, speak one more lie. Mm, one day, my friends began to see me. One lie leads another. एक दिन मैंने एक झूठ बोला, फिर उसे छुपाने के लिए मुझे एक और बोलना पड़ा। मेरे फ्रेंड मुझसे बोलने लगे, एक झूठ 100 झूठ बुलवाता है। मैंने are you there?
Yes, yeah, I'm here.
I'm ready one more time. It is said, one lie leads another. ऐसा कहा जाता है, एक झूठ 1000 झूठ बुलवाता है।
Good. Everybody has spoken. Didi has
No, sir,
everybody
actually,
spoken?
Anjali is rest.
So
Mohan
she
is
can
also.
speak as it is. She is new. She can speak as it is.
My father say all time, speak true, नहीं तो एक झूठ छुपाने के लिए वन लाई ले अनदर।
Good. Very nice, Anjali. You are new, but you are trying to speak. Good. There, all are done. Are all done? Should we conclude the class? It is 11:35.
All are done.
Thank you. God bless you. See you tomorrow at 10:30.